Uke. Today we're going to learn the chord melody for Beauty and the Beast from Disney's Follow along. The tablature is at the bottom of the screen, but you can also download the tablature from the link in the description below as well. So I went ahead and changed the key to the key of D so that it would be easier and simpler to use the chords, and maybe for more of the beginner to intermediate players. At the beginning of the song, it comes in with the little melody. Now we're on a soprano ukulele, so I don't have that low note that it goes to there, so we go up and hit the high note. As most of you are on a soprano uke. If you have that low G, go ahead and listen to that note and put that in there. But it does it 4 times. If you want to change the key to the original key in the movie, just use a capo on the 2nd fret, and you can do that as well. So then it goes into the melody, and what I did here is I went directly into a G chord, and I'm finger picking it to fill it in, and this one goes up to an A chord, a higher voicing on the A. But then I have to come down an octave because I don't have those low strings. And I fill it in with some finger picking. And I don't have a low one, so I come up to the high. And then it starts again. To the A. And then down an octave. Picking. And then you would go into the bridge from there. And from there, we're going to kind of work through just playing the melody. Follow along, you can see the chord in relationship to where the melody is. So this is done very simply, again, like I said, so that you can add to it, you can take away from it. If you don't want to put the finger picking in and you just want to play the single note melody, you can do that. For those of you who don't want to sing, this is an easier way. Or if you're trying to train your voice to hear where those notes are, you can hear them and sing along with it. And then it also develops your ability to look and see where the chord is in relationship to the melody note. So, you know, a really quick review that I'd like to have you do before you practice also is play the D major scale, because you can see the relationship between the notes in the key and the chords. So if you do that, coming over here on a D major scale, you can see when you're playing the song that all those notes are from that. So I've also included the music to a D major scale down there, and I would say practice that several times before you even practice this song. So go ahead and click the subscribe button, click on the bell, click the like button. You can visit us at www.thesandyyuke.com for additional lessons and music downloads. You can click on the link in the description below to get the music, to order product, to order ukuleles, and to find some of our favorite Sandy Uke Disney toys.